What's going on with the truckers? All I have to say is, man, get these type of truck drivers off the road. We do not represent who these people are. You know, this guy right here was popping Skittles, and basically in Oklahoma City. Check out this YouTube video by a YouTuber named Saya, and check out, it's over 45 minutes long of this truck driver, which I don't claim to be a truck driver because you are not professional, sir, swerving in and out of the lanes for over 45 minutes. And here's the thing about that, the cops were trying to pull him over on that, but he would not stop. So at that moment they threw out sticks, popped his tires, slowed him down, and they got him on the ground. But comment down below if you ever see some stuff like this and situations where truck drivers are definitely not being professional. But if you're on the road, man, leave the habits at home.
We're heading toward Oklahoma City. Time is 8:54 p.m. Trouble focusing. It's looking kind of blurry on the screen here, so mess with this stuff. He says one of these is a county and the others are OHP, so making me feel better. He is on the ground.